Hello everyone, I Ankur Gupta, PGT Commerce in KM Public School, Bhiwani. As you know, today we are celebrating National Chartered Accountant Day 2021. So firstly, wish you best wishes to all on Happy CA Day. Let let's know about CA. On July 1st, 1949, an Act of Parliament gave birth to the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. Founded a year before the constitution of the country was formalized, the ICI count itself among the oldest professional institute in the country. It is the second largest professional accounting and finance body in the world in terms of members, with a current roster of about 2.5 lakh members in India. The ICI is the sole licensing and regulatory body for the financial audit and accounting professional in India, and its recommendations are followed by everyone from the National Financial Reporting Authority (NFRA) to companies and accounting organizations. To be a part of the ICI members list as a bona fide chartered accountant is prestigious honor, indeed one that is celebrated every 1st of July as the ICI Foundation Day or the Chartered Accountants Day. KM Public School started commerce team in 2005 and has given way a number of brilliant chartered accountants who are serving in the country in many companies at senior posts. So once again, I am sending best wishes on this day. Thank you.
and your family are doing well in this pandemic situation. I am Vishali Popli and I am a chartered accountant. Currently, I am working with Infosys as a senior associate consultant. So, first of all, I want to wish you a very happy CA day. Finally, we have completed 72 years of ICI formation, the second largest accounting body, and of course, we all are a part of this. So, I must say, it is a very respectful profession, and we, the chartered accountants, are the pillars of this financial system. And it is truly an honor to be a part of this profession. Today, I want to give a message to all the students of KMPS that if you want to build your career as a chartered accountant, you should keep in your mind that this profession demands a lot of hard work, dedication, and of course, sleepless nights. So, if you think that you are made for this, you should definitely go for this. But you should take your decisions wisely. And I must say, if you think that you can do, it will definitely create a lot of opportunities for you. So don't take your decisions blindly, take it wisely, do well with your studies. Have a great day. Happy CA Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself CA Rajan Bansal. I am a practicing chartered accountant and associated with Messrs Gargi Mohan and Company, 25-year-old firm as a partner. सबसे पहले तो मैं केएम पब्लिक स्कूल एंड सारे टीचर्स का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने मुझे इतनी बढ़िया अपॉर्चुनिटी दी कि मैं अपने प्रोफेशन के बारे में कुछ कह सकूँ। मैं दोस्तों एक बात कहना चाहूँगा, जो हमारा सीए प्रोफेशन है वो ऐसी प्रोफेशन है कि आप अगर कुछ साल उसमें मेहनत करेंगे तो आपको पूरी लाइफ टाइम तक रिस्पेक्ट मिलेगी। थैंक यू सो मच गाइज, हैप्पी सीए डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू।
First of all, a very happy CA day to all of you. Myself, CA Shubham Gupta. I am fellow chartered accountant and completed my BCom honors from University of Delhi. Today, I am addressing to my school, Kirodimal Public School. So, I must say, CA is very good profession. This is second largest accounting body in the world, and there are around 250,000 chartered accountants in India who is working around the globe. And I must assure my friends who wish to become CA and studying in my school that this profession is very glorious profession. You will earn the respect and everything you want to fulfill your dreams by pursuing this profession. And I want to say about my school that I am happy that I study in the best school, Kirodimal Public School, and it will remain forever in my heart. It helps many students to pursue their dreams, and many teachers has completed their career in this school. This school is around 3 to 4 decades old, and I am very happy that I studied from Kirodimal Public School. I wish good health for Anujan ma'am. I heard about her that she is retiring now. Thank you so much, Kirodimal Public School and teachers and Anujan ma'am, that you gave me this opportunity to express about CA and Kirodimal Public School. Thank you.
Hello everyone, happy CA day. On this 1st July 2021, our institute is going to celebrate 73 Chartered Accountant Day. Best wishes to everyone on my behalf. Myself, CA Mohit Singhal. I am a practicing Chartered Accountant based out in Gurgaon, and presently I am serving as a Vice Chairman of Gurugram branch of NIRC of ICI, having more than 6,000 plus Chartered Accountants. I am a student of KMPS from 2005 बैच। दोस्तों कहते हैं किसी मकान की मजबूती उसकी नींव से आके जाती है, उसी तरह हर मनुष्य को अपने जीवन में कुछ हासिल करने के लिए एक मजबूत नींव की आवश्यकता होती है, और वो नींव मेरी KMPS से बनी है। इसके लिए मैं एक ही चीज कहूँगा, गुरुर ब्रह्मा गुरुर विष्णु गुरुर देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। I would like to say special thanks to every teachers who guided me throughout this journey to achieve the dreams of my life, and special thanks to Anu ma'am who gave me this opportunity to share my view on this Chartered Accountant Day. At the end, I would say everyone be safe, be happy at your home. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hello friends, I am Priyanka Garg, 2008 batch passed out. It's been a long journey, like 2008 and now it's been 2021, so more than 10 years, oh my god. But yes, this one thing, that is KMPS alumni, would always keep us connected. When I look back 10 years back, when I had opted for commerce, it was generally a mindset, or I would say people used to judge that if a student is opting for commerce, then he must be a duffer or maybe below average student. But now when I see that even the bright students who are scoring so good marks in 10th, they are opting for commerce, I feel really proud that the people now are becoming aware. Okay, so this really indicates the growth. Now, I am a chartered accountant, and being a chartered accountant, I would just want to, on this Chartered Accountancy Day, I would just like to give a short message to you guys. After opting to commerce, if you are thinking that CA is not my cup of tea, then you might be wrong. The only things that are needed to be a successful chartered accountant are perfect planning and strategy, a lot of discipline, and a pinch of hard work. Yes, intelligence is nowhere a criteria for qualifying chartered accountancy. You just need to stick to your plan and just be concentrated on your studies. I would like to wish you all the very best for your career and stay connected.